Hi, I'm April from Skycomp. I'm just doing a quick video on the Lenovo P-Series laptop and showing some reasons as to why you would want to choose one of these. This is not going to be a comparison video just because there's really nothing along the Lenovo line that would really compare to why you would need a P-Series laptop. It's a very specific computer that suits a very specific role. We often provide these to a lot of our engineering clients or our design clients because of the specs that it allows us to get to. You can get this computer at standard specs, an i5 8 gigs of RAM, but this machine can be upscaled to 32 gigs of RAM, Xeon processor, and an RTX 5000 graphics card. These graphics can allow you to do things like 3D graphic design, AutoCAD engineering. It's great for SolidWorks, programs like that. And honestly, I don't think there are many computers that actually compete with this when you're using applications like this. When you're looking at starting price for this, you can expect to see just over $2,000. However, if you wanted a fully spec'd machine at a 17-inch screen, you are looking at close to $7,000. However, this will weigh quite a bit, and it's not really meant for traveling around as much as you're going to see the P15S, which is what I have here in front of me. If you're already a designer or an engineer, you probably are aware of the minimum specs required for the program that you use. And a mistake that sometimes people make is they view their minimum requirements and they get a computer based on those. However, they forget that they're also using Excel and Outlook and other programs that may also take a lot of that power from that computer. So that's something to take into consideration as well. And when you're getting a system like this, it is best just to overspec a bit to give you the lifespan that this machine should be giving you. Speaking of performance, the P-Series laptop also includes a program called Performance Tuner. This is an amazing added feature. It will allow you to easily click in, select the programs that you are using, and then change the amount of power and resources that's being provided to those applications, such as AutoCAD, Adobe, SolidWorks. This application is very user-friendly. Once you click on it, you'll be in the home screen, which will show you all of your applications, and you can simply click on any of these to choose how much resources each program gets. I'm not running anything on my computer, but if I were, these would light up. You can also easily monitor what is being used where. And then you can also set up profiles, so you can select how you're working and what kind of setup you would like. You can take some of the performance from low-needs applications like Outlook or Excel, and you can put those towards Adobe to use. And in the system tray, you can kind of see what hardware and what resources you have to work with. You can see I'm running kind of a standard P-Series laptop. It's got an 11th gen processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and an NVIDIA T500 graphics card. And like anything else from Lenovo, when you're looking at the Thinkpad line, this is built to deal with intense environments. It's been mil-spec tested. It can handle a little bit more roughness than I would say the T-Series can because, again, it is built to work in engineering environments, possibly building sites, things like that. This is a very common computer that we sell here at Skycomp, and again, mostly to our engineers and our designing clients. This is not a computer that's well suited for, let's say, your standard administrative working staff. This is well over-spec'd for a receptionist or somebody handling the finances for your company. This is definitely a computer that's in a class of its own. As you can see here, I'm using the 15-inch laptop. This has the root space for the keypad onto the side, whereas if I were to go with the P14, I would lose this keypad. And this is another common request that I get when people are using a P-Series is they need this feature as well. So you kind of need to be careful when you're looking at sizes. You might want to go smaller, but do you need the keypad? There are also a lot of ports on this system because it's meant to be a high-class working machine. It has plenty of USB ports, it's got HDMI, you can hardwire an Ethernet, and a lot of these systems actually come with a space for an SD card in the back as well. Because this is a mobile workstation, it also has the availability to install a SIM card to get a data plan on this. One thing to keep in mind is this is an upgrade. So even though you are going to see the slot in the back, you do need to have a piece installed inside of the system to read this. And the upgraded card is only about $180. It's just a matter of taking the back plate off, installing it, which is very simple, and then putting it back on. This was just a very quick overview. I just wanted to explain the reasons as to why you would choose a P series over an X or a T, and these are the reasons why. Another software this computer can take advantage of is Lenovo Vantage. You can see more on the video here. Also, if you wanted to check out more videos on other Lenovo computers, you can check out these.